Hi everyone, let's learn how to make a post in TIMeS Wiki. The first is you need to find the link to the wiki on your course site. You need to click on it. Okay, now what is a wiki? A wiki is like a mini website. In this case, it's a website that lives inside TIMeS. Okay, it has a home page as you see here, right? And it's being used as collaborative group work for your course in TIMeS. Anyone in this class can create pages, links, post videos, and upload image. Now the list of names you see here are actually links to the pages, and these are the name of the group leaders. Because in this class, you'll be divided into groups. So the group leader will be assigned to create the main group page first, or sometimes the main group page is created by your course instructor. So now back to this wiki tutorial. As mentioned, anyone in this class can actually create pages, links, post videos, and upload images. And the wiki page, as you see here, can also be linked to another wiki page. Now, if you're working on a class project, the link to the main page shall display the project page for the group, and each one of you can make edits to the page. If the page you need to work on already exists, you just click on the link. For example, here, I'm clicking on a page that is already exists, and then you can continue to make edits and create your page. So for example, for this one is a page on Davina Prabhagaran's profile page. So in this activity, I'm going to show you how to create a wiki page. So I'm going to create my home page first. The new page title is home page. And by default, I'll just put HTML format. And I click on create page. Okay, so this is my home page of the wiki. So if you go to a website, this is like the first home page that you'll see when you enter a website. So now I'm going to show you how to create other pages in this home page. So I'm going to demonstrate, let's say we'll choose the topic on chefs. So I'm going to have here a link to my favorite chefs. And then I'm going to have another link on perhaps my favorite recipes. And perhaps I want to share some favorite restaurants. Okay, I think 3 would be enough. Okay, from what you see here, I've already created 3 new wiki pages. Now, if the link is red and italicized, it means you are the first person to edit the page. Let's click on the one of the page. Alright. So now you need to remember, while multiple people can edit a wiki, only one person can edit a page at a time. So my favorite chef, let's go on and click on create page. So only when I perform this action where I actually create my favorite chef's page. Okay, so this is my favorite chef's page. Now I am going to show you how to edit the page and then perhaps make several links to this page. Now that I create this my favorite chef page, I'm going to show you again how to create a page, edit a page, and make several links to it. And then later on, I'm going to show you how to upload an image and perhaps links to a video. So in my favorite chef's page, I would like to create a bio on Jamie Oliver. He's my favorite chef. Now to make this as a page, I need to type in double bracket. Okay. So another page in here would be some of my favorite things. Okay, some of Jamie Oliver's favorite things. So then I'll click on save. Okay, so for this page now, at the My Favorite Chefs link, I have linked to the page Jamie Oliver and favorite things. Now I'm going to show you now how to upload an image into the Jamie Oliver page. So now, first of all, I need to create Jamie Oliver's page first. Create page. Like so. So now you need to save it, and here you go. Okay, so this is a brand new page which has just been created, and it's all ready for me to make the edit. Just now you saw there was red italicized text. It means that you are the first person to edit the page. If you are the second person and so forth to make the edits, the page will be the regular font color. Here you see a brand new page has been created. The color red with italicized text means the page is ready for any first person to make an edit. If you are the second person and so forth to make edits, the page will be the regular font color, which is black and sometimes blue. Now let's click on the page to edit. Create the page first. So every time you create a new page, you click on you create the name of the page first with the double brackets, and then when you see the link, you need to create the page first. So now this page has been created and you can edit this page, Jamie Oliver. So now what I'm going to do, if you see this arrow pointing down, you can click on it. So let's click again. Okay, this is by default what you will see on screen. When you click on the button, you will see all the other features where you can make more edits to the page. Okay, so now I would like to upload a picture. I'm just going to type my picture. Then I'm going to upload the picture from Jamie Oliver. You want to type in there so that the person who are not able to see can know what the picture is about. So you can either enter the URL of the picture or you can browse. You can upload it. Okay, upload a file here. Choose the file that you want to upload. Save as, and then I proceed to upload the page. Right, I'm going to upload this picture to the page, and what I need to do, description is not necessary, so I will uncheck that. I can resize the picture here if I want. Okay, when you upload the picture, ensure that the size is no bigger than 500 pixels wide, because if it's too big, it will bog down the whole wiki page. Now, I highly recommend you to resize any images before you bring them into TIMeS. Okay. However, you have also the option to resize the image at the I would say at this pop-up window. But when you resize your image at this image properties, it doesn't actually resize the real image size. So make sure before you upload your picture onto TIMeS that is already resized beforehand. So I think 225 by 225 pixels is alright. So now I'm going to click on Save Image. There you go. That's my picture there. Right, so I'm just going to click on Save first. Okay, so now you see how the image looks and fits nicely into the wiki page. Now I'm going to show you how to create a link to a video or upload a video into your wiki page. To do that, I click on Edit. Click on the arrow button. Click on Media. And from there, I can just put the video source from the YouTube. Right, I think that will do for now. You can also explore the other advanced settings if you want. Alright, and when I click on Save, the media will be automatically embedded into my wiki page. Okay? Right, alright, then you can play on the video. You can also actually resize the size of this video as well. It's all in the settings. Okay? Right, so now let's recap what we have done so far. You click on the tabs on top. We will go to Wiki Exploration Activity 1, Who Am I? Right? And from here, I've showed you how to create the pages from here. And the red italicized means that the page has not been edited by anyone. And the one which is black, my favorite chefs, is the page which I've edited just now. Once I click on that, you see another page which is linked to that wiki homepage. And I've actually shown you how I've created a page to create a bio. The sample I've chosen is Jamie Oliver's bio. Okay, I've shown you how to embed your picture into the wiki page and also a video. Now at any time that you would like to edit on the page, you just click on Edit tab. Okay, and you just put in whatever it is that you want to add on. Click on Save. Okay, right, you can this is something that you should take note of. Now the link does save a revision history. Okay, so at any time if yourself or any of your group member mess up on the page, you can let your instructor know about it and they can revert the page to the previous version. If you look at history, you can know who did what on the page and who did the latest editing and when. Okay, so don't worry if you accidentally messed up a page, although I don't recommend you to do that, but there is actually a way for you to retrieve the files. You go on Map, it will show you an overview of your wiki page. Right, it's actually listed down alphabetically. Right, just now I created my favorite chefs, it's under M, and Jamie Oliver is under J, and H is under homepage. Now if I click on the Files tab, I will be directed to a page where I can have an overview of all the images that are stored in that wiki page. Right? And if I click on Comments tab, I will be able to see and make comments. You can add comments. For example, if let's say you'd like to communicate with some of your group members, you can put on, for example, I have a group member, her name is Jenny. I'll let her know Jenny to add on content after the Jamie Oliver video. Right. So if you click on the Administration tab, you will also be able to view who actually did what in the wiki page. It's something like map as well. Now, why don't you try to create your first wiki page? And if you have any inquiries regarding the wiki, you can ask your course instructor, or you can email to ela.helpdesk@taylors.edu.my with your questions.